Machiegni nyakoro mgajwange chenro ni mar migago nyinga Lydia Okeyo. Chenro mago hala nyoro chore sub county Rongo mantiere county ma Migori e kinde ikruok mar yiero ma jotend duond bura mar ODM kaluwore gi gwenyruok e paro e kind grube ariyo moko. Matok grube giromo e apis duond burano e boma mar Rongo mar yudo ler ewi kaka yiero ma jotend duond burano ma kor gwenge ibiro taa. Jokanyo ma duond bura mar ODM e sub county mar Rongo kwedo chal ma kama ka giwacho ni ginyayo pogruok mag duond burano. Gino ma ok chiw ranyisi makare gi koten duond bura mar ODM mondo mi oketo kenge manyalo konyo tieko lwenje mag piny e kind jokanyo mag ODM e bade mar Rongo.
The business are closed because of two people, and they are because of their interest. In Rongo town now we have two ODM office, so we don't know which one is which one is the real ODM office and which one is which. So we request the national government, the national ODM leaders to come and cancel this issue in Rongo.
We need neutrality in ODM as a party, and we need a referee, not somebody who is affiliated to any politician.
You are aware, election is a competitive process, and when people are competing, we don't expect them to agree on everything. So what I've just been experienced here is just normal in any campaign. But what I'm saying as a member of parliament of Rongo constituency, I'm urging our people to act with a lot of restraint, even if they're being provoked, and I'm pleading for a very peaceful election exercise.
Not allow whatever happened in the past to happen this time again. As a government, will be neutral. We will not support any party politics. We will not be part of this party politics. But in case there is a problem, then each party will face the full force of the law, regardless of their position, regardless of their status.